All right, guys. So another trading session, another beautiful trading session. I got a signal. This is my latest trade. So the signal I got, I've been looking for like 4 or 5 hours. I've been even looking at Euro Pound, but Euro USD OTC is my favorite, and that's why I'm trading. So as you can see, I'm trying to turn this $20 or 21 dollars into 1,000 or something. So yeah, as usual, I'm using the same strategy. So the first trade is going to go up. Um, we are expecting some kind of an uptrend, not a clear uptrend, but uh, most of the time it's going up. Most of the time, most of the candles are going to be green candles. So I'm using the same strategy. The strategy is based on four indicators: Bollinger Bands, MACD, RSI, and Parabolic SAR, and the multiple of chart patterns that I developed my own by my own method. The strategy and everything I learned about binary options is explained in the course in the description of this video. So go to binarystrategycourse.com, or yeah, click the link in the description, go directly to the course, take the course, and if you can't afford buying the course, that's okay. You can develop your own trading strategy, but guys, you need to be like precise when choosing the indicators, but because there's multiple indicators in this in the trading world, lagging indicators and stuff like that. So don't overuse the indicators, because when developing your own trading strategy, overusing technical indicators can lead to poor decision making and reduce effectiveness. So the first win, I guess, we will see another uptrend. We will see another uptrend. So let's put $38, and yeah, let's go up. Oh, 37. Uh, I made a mistake. That's okay. We still have $1 there. That's okay. So as I was saying, uh, don't overuse indicators, technical indicators, because indicators overlap. Like the redundancy, many technical indicators provide similar informations, especially when they are based on the same underlying price data. For example, the moving averages, the RSIs, the MACDs, and stuff like that. Using multiple indicators that gives the same signals can create redundancy rather than adding value to your analysis. That's why you shouldn't overuse indicators. Second win. Oh, so I guess now the market will start creating some red candles. Not a lot, but some red candles. Let's put, let's put $69, and let's go down. So as I was saying, for example, guys, you're using the RSI and stochastic oscillator. Both measure the same thing. They both measure momentum. So using both can give duplicate signals and clutter your decision-making process without adding any new insights. It's bad because redundant indicators won't give you clearer signals, but may cause confusion, and this will lead to hesitation and overconfidence in taking trades. Also, these indicators, most of them are lagging indicators, so yeah, by nature they are lagging. Great, another win. Give me a second here, I guess. All right, so I guess we will see an uptrend now. We will see a green candle. I guess we will see, I'm not sure, but a green candle. At least I'm going up, so I'm putting like I'm leaving $69, and I'm going because I'm not 100% sure about this trade, but I believe that yeah, I believe a green candle is expected. So as I was saying, guys, don't overuse technical indicators because most of them are lagging, as I said, by nature. This means that they rely on past price actions to provide signals and future signals. So when you use too many lagging indicators together, you may receive delayed and conflicting signals. All right, and this results in missing opportunities and entering trades too late. For example, moving averages. When moving average are the most used indicators, And yeah, just give me a second here. All right, so as I was saying, now we will see a red candle, because the previous green candle, it was green as expected, but small green candle. But this one is 100% going to be a red candle. Yeah, 100% going to be a red candle. So guys, as I was saying, using moving averages, they lag behind price. So if you use multiple moving averages with different time frames, that's why I don't like using moving averages. They are effective, but at the same time they will give you like delayed signals. So if you use multiple moving averages with different time frames, the signals may be slow, causing you to enter trades after the trend has already developed. So overusing lagging indicators can delay your trades and reducing profit and effectiveness. Let's see. Now I don't. We will see the uptrend. We're supposed to see an uptrend here. I don't know what's happening. The market is creating this red candles, but I guess we should go up. Yeah, I'm 100%. Yeah. We are going up. A green candle, a small uptrend. We start from this point. Yeah. So as I was saying, guys, when you are developing your own trading strategy, you will find, if you are using multiple indicators, you will find the phenomenon that's called paralysis by analysis. Like, too many indicators can lead to this phenomenon, the paralysis by analysis, where conflicting signals from various indicators cause confusion and indecision. All right. So for example, one indicator. So now I don't know what's happening, honestly, but I believe something strange is happening. We should go up again, but I'm not sure again. I'm not 100% sure, because the market, I believe that we will start to see an uptrend, but I don't know when. See, now this candle is, so the buyers are pushing, but there is a lot of resistance there. Yeah, a lot of resistance there, created by the sellers or overall market. Yeah, so back to our subject, the paralysis by analysis, guys. If you're, for example, you're using multiple indicators, one indicator may show a bullish signal, and another may show you a bearish signal or bearish condition. For example, the RSI. Oh, what's happening now? What's happening? Give me a second here. Oh God. See, last seconds, same thing happened. The market goes up, and the last few seconds, boom, went down. But I believe that I'm expecting an uptrend. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to open long positions, but this one, I'm not sure, but this one should be an uptrend. This one should be a green candle. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. I don't know what's happening, honestly. This will be, no, not the last trade. If I'm winning this one, I'm going to open another one. But I don't believe that we will see an uptrend next. I was expecting an uptrend, but yeah, see last seconds. Yes. God. We are at $641.92. Should we stop here? No. I'm putting $500. I'm risking it. Oh, give me a second here. So see, last seconds, same thing here. Last seconds, same thing here. Last second. This means that the market will reverse, and we will see a downtrend. So I'm opening a down position or a put position with $500. Let's go down, and I believe that yeah, this is what's going to be happening. Guys, don't trust me with this, because I'm not a financial advisor, of course, and this video is not financial advice. I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money if you buy my strategy or you use your own trading strategy or you use my advices. You will not have the same result because this is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. So please keep in mind that trading binary options is risky. You should educate yourself, do your own research, test different indicators or multiple indicators. Don't overuse indicators, and especially you must have a good trading strategy and a good risk management plan. This way you protect yourself from losing your money. With the risk management plan, you will avoid losing your money, but with a good strategy you will like make sure you are making profit. So both works in your favor. I guess as expected, the market will start creating a downtrend, but this is unpredictable because I trade short terms, and that's why I don't like. So I will try to trade forex, but not on this channel. But for binary options, I guess that's it. This is the end. Yes, the last trade we are at $1,000. Beautiful. I guess we should see